In this video, I'll show you how to view and delete all your posts on Facebook. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your Facebook, go to your search, type in posts. This is going to come out. Poke your friends and see who has poked. So I'm going to just click on it. So right now, I don't have anyone that's currently poked here on my friend list. So I'm going to just come on here from the search. I'm going to do this and show you what I mean. See, okay. Let me see. So you're going to be able to see this option. So if I click on poke now, yeah, I just poked Anita. So you can see basically, so I can just still go back here. Okay, I'm going to go back now. Okay, so right now from my list, you can be able to see I just poked one person. So you can be able to view everybody I've poked here on Facebook. So if you love to delete the poke, what you need to do, just hold on to the person's profile. You're going to be able to see dismiss poke. So once you click on it, you can be able to delete your poke here on Facebook. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe.